In 1987, a small basalt stone was recovered from a collapsed mine shaft in Nevada. Locals called it the Sound Eater. According to early reports, the rock absorbed all nearby noise, conversations, footsteps, even the hum of machinery, creating pockets of unnatural silence around it. Researchers labeled it Noise Gator 5. When placed in controlled environments, microphones detected a mild vibration, almost like the rock was breathing. And then unexpectedly, Noise Gator 5 began releasing the sounds it had taken. Voices, ambient noise, fragments of conversations from days and sometimes decades earlier. One playback contained something stranger, a voice never identified, calmly stating,
"We hear you."